Hey dolls, so today I'm going to be showing you something different, and I got sponsored to do this video by Iris Beauty, and they were kind enough to send me these contact lenses. So I'm going to be showing you or telling you about them, and I love them. I'm so obsessed. First of all, I've worn contact lenses before, but normally prescription contact lenses. I've only worn contact lenses once, green ones, and they were not as bomb as this. Like, these are freaking beautiful. Like, I look like a whole Barbie doll with these on, and I love that. Like, the contact lenses you get in the beauty supply are not on this level. This is like really pretty, unique colors that I don't even see on people in person. My eyes just stand out, and I love how they look like. Background, by the way, this is my parents' messy living room. It always stays messy. So anyway, they're just ridiculously gorgeous. Like, my eyes look like literal water. Like, look at them. I'm just obsessed with just how it highlights my eyes. So, oh my god, like, I like it. So I love it. So it's just a big difference. When you first put it on, you're like, whoa. So yeah, I just love it. This is the one I'm wearing is called Amber Brown. So you think it is like brown for brown eyes. No, this is like green. I'll describe this as like a green, gray, amber, it's got hints of brown in it, but it's like a green gray eye color. Like, it's so pretty. Look at that. My eyes look so bomb. Like, it doesn't, like, I look like a doll. I don't look like my real self. I asked on Instagram which color I should get, and a lot of you dolls said get this one, which is like a green gray. So I decided on this one. Like, it was a tie between green and gray. I knew if I got blue, it's gonna be super intense, but this might as well be blue because it's so pretty. It stands out. I like the makeup I did with it was very simple and neutral, like a neutral smoky. Something I can do this nude lip with, because the attention on the eye is just whoa. So this is Iris Beauty. That's the name of the company. They're based in America. They're based in New York. As I said, the color I got is amber brown. They can do prescription because I'm wearing prescription. Most of you know I wear glasses. So this is a prescription contact lens. They did it to my prescription. So you just have to email them. So yeah, that's what I got. The prices are on their website. They have so many unique colors. You can look all over YouTube and see all the colors they have. So many gorgeous colors. Like, it's really hard to pick, but this is my favorite. But this one does say intense on the packet, as you can see. It comes in a packet like this. I love their packaging, very simple and straight to the point. They come with, it's made in New York, and it's really for beauty purposes. So like taking a nice selfie, every now and then if you want to look different, get something like this and just highlight, make yourself look different, especially with the holidays coming up. I would say I do have a code, so this could be cheaper for you. It's LB15. I'll put it down below in the description box. So if you're going to buy it, don't forget to use my code. I love it. So let me know in the comment section what you think of my really bold eyes. I'm going to take some selfies and probably put them in this video so you can see how they look like. But it's just gorgeous. I can't get over it. I'm gonna wear this all day and then I'll take it off at night, but because I just like it. I feel like, wow, it's just like a huge difference to your normal look. Don't get me wrong, I love my natural brown eyes, but wow, what a change. And I love the difference this gives me, and it just gives me this whole new persona. I just love it. I love it. I love it. So pretty. As usual, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know if you're going to be trying Iris Beauty, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm so like vain right now. Oh, who's this? Bye dolls. Bye. God, imagine if these were my real eyes. Oh my god, look at this.